In this video, we'll walk through how to test your pool's pH using the Taylor K-2006C Kit. A proper pH balance helps chlorine work effectively and prevents corrosion of equipment or scaling on surfaces. For commercial pools, the ideal pH range is between 7.2 and 7.6. The bottles for testing pH will have red caps. Rinse your test tube thoroughly, then fill it with fresh pool water up to the 44 milliliter line. Add 5 drops of R0004, the pH indicator solution, and swirl gently to mix. Compare the color of your sample to the pH color chart on the back of the test block. If the color falls between two values, the pH is the average between those two readings. In our example, the color appears around 7.8, which means the pH is slightly high and should be lowered. To determine how much adjustment is needed, refer to tables D and E in your Taylor guidebook. Since our pH is high, we'll use the acid demand test with R0005, the acid demand reagent. Add 1 drop at a time, swirling and checking the color after each drop, until the sample reaches the ideal color, around 7.6. Record the number of drops used, then use your guide's chart to find the correct treatment dosage for your pool's gallonage. If your pH is too low, you'll use R0006, the base demand reagent, instead. The process is the same. Add 1 drop at a time, swirling and comparing the color after each drop, until it reaches the ideal pH range. Record the number of drops used, then use your guidebook chart to find how much pH increaser or soda ash to add based on your pool's gallonage. And that's how you check and adjust your pool's pH using the Taylor K-2006C Kit. For more step-by-step videos on every test in this kit, and for pool care tutorials, pro tips, and product reviews, head over to our YouTube channel and subscribe to Easy Pool and Spa Supply.